Hello once again, everybody, and welcome to the week of October 19th through October 23rd. I trust that you all have had a great weekend and a great start to this school year. I'm going to go over the activities for this week. This is just a reminder. The end of the grading period is Wednesday, October 21st. So all the grades that we have collected thus far, I am going to give you some time in class to make up some work. So if you haven't completed all your work, just know that whenever I see you this week, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to go over the activities for this week. The activities for this week will go towards next semester's grades. So just make sure that you keep up. Make sure that if you have any questions, you ask, because I am definitely here to help you with any questions that you may have. So let's go ahead and jump into this week. So if you are at home, we're going to go click at home. Now, if you're at school, we're going to continue our skimmers, and we're going to actually be moving on next week to mechanisms, building different mechanisms, the worm and wheel, idler pulley, simple gear pulleys. We'll work on that next week as well. So get you some hands-on interactive stuff. But if you're at home this week, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be talking about a carbon footprint. We're going to be defining the carbon footprint, determining the size of your carbon footprint, and explaining how the size of your carbon footprint makes an impact on our environment. So right here it talks about our carbon footprint, what a carbon footprint is, and then this is a video further explaining what a carbon footprint is. And then we get to here, and this is kind of different. This is a poll. It's something super simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this link. It's going to take you to this calculator. All right, and you're just going to basically answer the questions. As you see, there's 10 questions here, and then at the end of it, you're going to receive a number. Okay, a number relating to your carbon footprint, and they'll have some more data there. But what I want to know here, and mine looks a little different than yours, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to tell me what your number was, what your number from the carbon footprint calculator was. And that's all you're going to do for this step. Then we're going to keep on moving forward. And so my question is, what can we do at Gentry to reduce our carbon footprint? So right here is a video of 10 easy steps that could help you reduce your carbon footprint. So I want you to be thinking of what you could do in your own personal life. And then what is something that we could do to make an impact at Gentry Middle? And you never know, some of your ideas we may put into action in the weeks to come, so it'd be interesting to see. I really want you to think in depth about this. And for what I'm noticing from several of your discussion questions is it's kind of simple. Look, folks, whenever I ask you to have a discussion, I don't just want a two-word answer, okay? Make it a complete sentence and a complete thought. And if you continue not to do that, I'm going to be pulling you aside and asking you for further clarification on what you've seen, what you've noticed, and how you would answer the question. So that's basically all, just this discussion and a video, and then this poll question, a quiz, and watch that video to figure out what a carbon footprint is. And right here's your check sheet at the bottom, checklist. Make sure you've done those things. And then I will see you one day this week. We'll continue our skimmer project, and then we'll move on to mechanisms. And I hope that you have a great week. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.